Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella right here, and basically what this is some battery testers. If you can see, for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 2 of them. They do have the option for you to purchase 1 if you guys only need 1. But I feel like it's better for you guys to have 2, so that way you do have a backup one just in case. So since both of them are the same, let me just take out one of them to show you guys what the product looks like and how it works. So once you guys do take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here we do have the screen to show you guys the battery life when you guys do use it. And in here they do tell you guys where to put each battery when you guys do use it. But pretty much for the product, it allows you guys to use it for AA battery, AAA battery, C battery, D batteries, and also 9V batteries on the side right here. So this is what the product looks like on this side. Here is this side. Here is the bottom. And here is the back. So literally all you need to do is open up this part right here and put the battery in between it, and it will show you guys the battery life on the actual product. So now let's test it out. So for the first test, let's use the AAA battery. So if I put it in like this, make sure I put it on the right side. Negative on this side and the other side is positive. And you see when you guys do test it, it does show the battery is good. So that means it is fully charged. Now let's try this one, which is AA battery. So when I test this one, it's also full as well. Next one is try the C battery. And you see it does show you guys that it's good. And once you guys do let go, it goes back down. And then for the last one, I do have a D battery. If you guys put it in, and you see it does show you guys that it's good as well. So very easy and very simple for us to use the product, and it gives you guys a really fast result when you guys do use it. And if you see the size of the product is not that big, it is pretty compact. So that way if you guys want to bring it along when you guys are traveling, you definitely can. But pretty much right here, it does show you guys to replace low battery or good. So if your battery does show red, that means you guys need to replace the battery. But if it shows yellow, that means low. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this battery tester, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality battery tester to test your batteries just to make sure it's fully charged, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.